So here we have some damage across the entire length of this F350 tailgate. And as you can see, it's pretty deep. And the actual tailgate no longer functions again. The handle is all bound up. We can't even get this thing open. So before we can really start the PDR repair with all these tools pictured here, we're gonna have to open up this dent and try to get it to release and try to get this tailgate to open.
Pull up on it as you do that.
So here you can see we have quite a setup here. We've got a lot going on, as you can see. And so we have some ratchet straps to a pulling post. We have this porta power with these Bigfoot tabs that secure the porta power to the panel, opening up this really tight spot where there's a really sharp dent. Looks like an axe hit it almost in this upper area, and it's really tight. That's the use of the porta power. And then I actually have my son lifting up on this other aluminum lever, trying to lift the top of this tailgate up. And I also have a basketball set up in the back. And you gotta think outside the box on these kind of repairs. So I've got a basketball that I'm inflating inside, just give it a soft push and to help manipulate this metal. And once we have it out and under tension, I can go into this really sharp impact and push it out with a tool.
Who was here the other day? Somebody was like, hey, just want to let you know that all your coffee creamers and all the cookies and crackers are all expired.
What?
Sorry, man.
Now you can see the tailgate hole is really manipulated here, and I had to get creative with a clamp to use just to get that hole solid, just so I can continue working the dent until we can put the tailgate handle back in. And here you can see the final result, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. The tailgate functions as it should. The handle is back in. The paint is factory. The parts are factory. The customer is happy.